Hello everyone, we are the DermaFace team and we will be presenting to you for the next 10 minutes about our application. Before we start, let's meet our team. In this presentation, we will explain 7 points which are background, reason, existing result, implementation, result, documentation, plan a local deployment, and go-to-market proposal. Did you know that skin problems are actually more serious and widespread than we might think? It's not only about acne or dry skin. Can you guess how many types of skin diseases are known in the world? Yeah, it turns out there are over 3,000 different conditions that have been identified. These conditions range from common issues like acne and eczema to more serious conditions such as skin cancer and autoimmune. Skin diseases not only affect physical health but also have significant psychological and social impact, influencing quality of life and requiring diverse treatment approach depending on the condition and its severity. Skin diseases in society often stem from a lack of knowledge about skin health. One of the main reasons people tend to ignoring emerging facial skin problems is the high cost of consultation and limited access to dermatological care. To address this issue, we aim to develop an easily accessible and effective application design to detect skin disease, especially affecting in the face.
Existing result. This app offers 4 main features, tips, and advice to provide advice on dealing with skin disease access. Blur detection, the and source of blood photo are clear for accurate detection result. Article they provide article on skincare. History to save the history of previous facial skin disease detection. The feature comparison show the superiority of this app compared to similar apps. This app has full features such as depth and advice, article, history, and free detection the other apps might not have. Implementation. The development of this application involved various tools. Google Collaborator for model development, TensorFlow and Keras for model training, Android Studio and Android SDK for app development, Firebase for authentication and storage, Figma for UI design, Postman for API testing, and Git and GitHub for code management.
This is our prediction flow. First, we upload image. You can either upload an existing image from your gallery or take a new picture using your camera. To ensure the best possible result, the app analyzes the image for blurriness using the variance of reflection method. If the image is blurry, you will be prone to retake a clearer picture. If the image is clear enough, we use convolutional neural network to classify it against 10 known skin diseases. If a potential disease is identified, the app displays the result along with the helpful tips for treatment. We have built a comprehensive dataset to train our skin disease classification model. The dataset includes images of 10 common skin conditions. To ensure a robust model, we have split the data into two sets. 80% used to train the model to identify skin disease, and 20% used to evaluate the model's performance after training. We use sequential model where layers are arranged in a specific order for image classification using TensorFlow. The model utilizes a modified mobile net v2 architecture to classify image. The model structure consists of mobile net v2 base model with frozen layer. Then we use dropout, flatten, normalization, activate relu function, and lastly, full connected layer with dense of 9.
Okay, in mobile development, the process involves several key stages. We start with UI design in Figma, which is then converted into XML layout in Anggota Studio. After that, login configuration is done using Firebase. Next, API for article are created and integrated. Machine learning model are stored in Firebase ML, and image scanning configuration is applied. Finally, the scan results are stored in Store. This is the process of selecting UI from design created in Figma into XML code in Anggota Studio. This process allows the transformation of static design into dynamic UI element that can be used in application. Once the UI is ready, Firebase integration for user authentication follows. Machine learning models are stored in Firebase ML, and model integration is done for image scanning and analysis. This ensures the user can log in securely and utilize the model for skin disease detection. Okay, on to result. On the main page of the developed app, user can access article on skin health and start the face scanning process. The article provides useful information on skincare, while the scan button initiates the skin disease detection process. The scanning features start by taking or selecting photo from the gallery. Users can edit the photo and then start the scan. The scan results show the predicted skin condition and provide appropriate treatment recommendation. Furthermore, scan result can be saved and accessed through the log history features. User can view the history of previous scan, which includes scan date and analysis result, making it easy to track changes in skin condition over time. And alright, the app documentation can be accessed through this QR code GitHub link. All technical information and application user guide are available for developers and users.
The next one, I will explain our local deployment plan and go-to-market proposal. The next improvement of our mobile development is first, we want to improve our model accuracy. The second is we want the app to can be detect more disease, and the last one is giving personal tips for user personal profile. Here's the timeline for our next 6 months of development. In July and August, we are identifying stakeholder, competitor analysis, and add additional feature. In September, we are make a marketing strategy and collaboration or partnership. In October and November, we are releasing app for beta version and adjust feature and monitoring the performance. And in December, we will launching our official application. For the budgeting, we are estimated that we need $5,000 or equals to 18 million rupiah. With the proportion of team salary is 30%, research and development is 25%, production is 15%, marketing is 15%, legalities, patents, registration, and product certification is 10%, and other expenses will be 5%. Here's the target market. Our application is usually for everyone. Here's the target market. Our application target market is for everyone, but especially in age around 17 to 45 years old, with the profession of student, health professional, and public. And the roles of this application is to everyone who want to check their special skin condition. So this is why target market needs this solution. For purpose-driven, we intended to make a mobile application that can help people to check their skin condition easily and also reliable. For the data-driven, data from Indonesian health profile shows that are approximately 100,000 skin disease-related visits annually. This range from common issues like acne and eczema to more serious conditions. In government-driven, this app intended to increasing public health awareness and give easy access for everyone. And this is the map for our market size and market share in Indonesia. I think that's all our team can tell from this presentation. We also invited you to try our application. With the link download is below. You can also use the barcode to scan for the download link. Thank you and have a nice day.